good afternoon, all of you, and let's start today's class. So, in this class, we will learn lens maker's formula. What is this? Lens maker's formula. Okay, so let's start. First, I am taking one lens. Okay, you can see here. This is a convex lens, and now this is what the principal axis. Right, this is optical center, and let us suppose one object we have kept here, which I am denoting with. Already I have denoted this as the optical center O. So I am denoting this object as a A. Point A. Now, due to this point object, what happens? Due to this point object, what happens? The light which is coming from this object will go like this, and it will refract. But see, there is another curved surface. So what I am doing, I am considering only one ray, that is this one, that is only one curved surface. Then due to this curved surface, you will get one image. And let us suppose this is I1, which I am denoting with dotted line. Concentrate, okay? What I am saying, one more time I will repeat, just 1 minute you wait. So this is what the image formed due to the first curved part. Due to the first curved part. And this image is nothing but I1. But actually you see this is another curved surface. So due to this curved surface, this image will behave as an object, and that's why you will get the actual image somewhere here. That is what I2 is. What is that? I2. Like this is final image. This is what I2. Now this OA, this one is object distance, and I'm denoting it with a U. What is this distance? U. Right? And now whatever I1 you got, I am taking that distance as a phi1. Yes. What is that distance? Phi1. This one. You can see here. This is phi1. And here, this distance I am taking as a phi. What is this distance? Phi. Okay, this is phi. And somewhere here is your focus. So not necessary to denote that. Okay, here somewhere it is focus F. This side also this is F, focus. And as these lens, or as this lens has two surfaces, two curved surfaces, let us suppose this first curved surface has radius R1 and this curved surface has radius R2. Understand? Any doubt till here? Please ask. Yes, any doubt? Why this I1 is coming? Because of this curved surface. Okay, this curved surface. and this I1 is somewhere inside the lens, right or wrong? So I am denoting I1, and then this I1 is behaving as an object for this curved part, and then because of this you will get another image, that is what I2, that is it at this point, and this is what final image, and it is at distance phi from the optical center. Okay, right. Now, as we are having two mediums, which medium, this is suppose air or whatever, let us suppose this medium is having refractive index mu1, which is out of the lens, है ना, outside lens, whatever the medium is present, its refractive index is mu1, and this lens, its refractive index is, let us suppose, mu2. Understood? Right. Now let's see how to derive, or what I'm doing. See, now at first surface, or for first surface, for first surface, we have learned one formula already, that is mu2 v by minus mu1 u is equal to mu2 minus mu1 by r. That is for curved surface. Already we have learned that formula, refraction at curved surface, in that topic. Now here you see, for this curved surface, what I am getting, mu2, okay, for this curved surface. Can you see which curved surface? This curved surface. Only I am considering this one. Now this is mu2 and this is mu1. So for this curved surface, mu2 by p1, because of this you are getting this image, and that's why your image distance is v1 for this curved surface, minus mu1 divided by object is what, at distance u, that's why mu1 by u is equal to mu2 minus mu1 divided by r1. Call this equation number 1. Understood? Is that clear? Yes. Right. Now similarly, you see here, for second surface, for second surface, now for second surface means this surface whose radius is r2, your object distance is what, v1, because this I1, whatever the image you got due to first refraction, is behaving as an object for this curved part, and then you will get image I2. Therefore, what I am getting, see here, mu1 by phi minus mu2 by phi1, है ना? Because image is this for this, so that's why it is in air, and therefore mu1 by v minus mu2 by v1, because object is in this medium, and that's why at the place of u we have replaced v1, at the place of this mu1 mu2, at the place of this mu2 mu1, because image is forming in the air, is equal to, now what you will get here, bolo bolo, mu1 minus mu2 divided by r2. Call this equation number 2. Any doubt? Any doubt till here? Please ask. Clear? Okay, right. Now, what I am doing, I have now equation 1 and 2. I am going to add these two equations. So what I will get, let's see. Adding equation 1 and 2. adding equation 1 and 2, what you are getting, see this side I am adding first. So mu2 by v1 minus mu1 by u plus mu1 by v minus mu2 by v1 is equal to this side. Now I am adding, so mu2 minus mu1, so I am separating denominator at the same time, clear hai, plus mu1 by r2 minus mu2 by r2. Okay, I have separated denominator also. Now what I can cancel, this and this I can cancel. Similarly here, can I cancel anything? Yes. Can I cancel anything from this side? No, we can't cancel anything, I think so, right? We can't cancel anything from this side. Okay. So what we got this side, see. Now this side we got, see here, mu1 by v, this side we got like this, mu1 by v minus mu1 by u, है ना, is equal to mu2 minus mu1. यहाँ पे क्या क्या कर सकते हैं, देखो ये mu2 के टर्म्स एक साइड लेंगे, क्या होता है देखो, mu2 by r2 r1 है ना, mu2 by r1 आना चाहिए वहां पे, यस, mu2 by r1 सही है ना, यस, तो mu2 by r1 माइनस mu2 by r2 प्लस mu1 by r2 माइनस mu1 by r1, सही है ना, देखो अब, यस। अब देखो मैं क्या करता हूं, इसमें mu2 कॉमन लेता हूं, क्या मिलेगा मुझे, 1 by r1 माइनस 1 by r2। इसमें से क्या कॉमन लेंगे बोलो, प्लस mu1 कॉमन लेता हूं, 1 by r2 माइनस 1 by r1, सही है ना, सही है क्या, चेक करो, यस। Now after this, what I am doing, this is mu2 into 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2. If I will take minus mu1 here, can I take minus mu1 if I will take common, and this I will reverse, है ना, so what I will get, 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2, yes, no, right. Now what I can take common, see, I can take this 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2 common, so I will get like this, mu2 minus mu1 into bracket 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2, and this side is what, yours, mu1 by v minus mu1 by u. Is that clear? है ना, सही है ना, यहां तक क्लियर है, understood everyone? This is different part, okay, so I am writing one line, I am drawing one line here, ठीक है, is that clear? कोई डाउट है तो बोलो, yes, this is different part, yes, understood. Shall I go to the next page? Shall I go to the next page? Okay, right. Now what I got, you see once, I got like this, mu1 by v minus mu1 by u is equal to, what I got this side, mu2 minus mu1 into 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. सही है ना? Yes. चेक करो. mu1 by V minus mu1 by U, mu2 minus mu1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. सही है ना? Right. अब देखो इसमें से मैं क्या कॉमन लेता हूं. mu1 आई एम टेकिंग कॉमन. 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to mu2 minus mu1 into 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. Now this mu1 I am transferring that side, and this 1 by V minus 1 by F is 1 by F. 1 by V minus 1 by U is 1 by F. You know Lenz's formula is equal to this mu1 I am transferring here. So mu2 by mu1 minus mu1 by mu1 I have divided. है ना? Clear है? Understood? Yes. And this side as it is 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. So you got 1 by F is equal to 1 by F is equal to mu2 by mu1 minus 1 into 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. This is what your Lenz maker's formula. Is that clear? You can keep it in a box. It is very, very important for problem solving. Very, very important. Lenz maker's formula. Understand? Quite doubt? Yes, clear है ना? mu2 by mu1 minus 1 into 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. Clear है? Understood everyone? Yes, please respond. Okay, understood. Right. Now, let's see some note points. You will understand. Note point number 1. Suppose lens is equiconvex lens. For equiconvex lens. Equiconvex. Equiconvex means how it is like this lens, है ना? Equiconvex, जिसका R1 and R2 same रहता है. So this is what here also R, here also R. Yes. So what we are having here, R1 is equal to R and R2 is equal to minus R, है ना? This side आ रहा है ना? If we will see this side center of curvature, so this distance is negative again. That's why R2 is minus R. But for this, for the first surface, center of curvature is here. So this side it is plus, this side it is minus, and that's why it is minus R. Now let's substitute, and its refractive index is what? Mu. Let's substitute in this formula. So 1 by F is equal to mu2 is what? Mu. Mu1 is what? 1 minus 1. है ना? Right? And 1 by R minus 1 by minus R. तो ये कितना हो जाएगा? 1 by F is equal to mu minus 1 into this is 1 by R plus 1 by R. क्या होगा? 2 by R. है कि नहीं? 2 by R. Right? अब इसका रेसिप्रोकल ले लो. You just take reciprocal and what you will get? F is equal to R divided by 2 into mu minus 1. Understand? This is what focal length for this equiconvex lens by using lens maker's formula. Right? Is that clear? Next one. Understood? No? Okay. Next one you see. Suppose now plano convex lens is there. Second one, second note point, plano convex lens. Plano convex. Now plano convex means what? You are having one side curved and another side is plane. So I am drawing diagram, just see. Like this, है ना? One surface plane, one surface curved. So as it is a plane surface, R1 is equal to infinity, and for this, let us suppose R2 is equal to how much? Minus R, as usual. Here also you can keep minus R, no problem. So now see, let's substitute again in the formula. So direct I am substituting now 1 by F is equal to mu minus 1, है ना? 1 by R1 is what? 1 by infinity minus 1 by minus R. तो ये 1 by infinity 0 हो जाएगा. This is what? Mu minus 1 into, this is just 1 by R, and this is what? 1 by F. Take reciprocal. You will get F is equal to R divided by mu minus 1. If you want to find focal length for plano convex lens, you will get R divided by mu minus 1 by using the which formula? Lens maker's formula. Any doubt? Yes. Clear hai? Okay. Shall I go to the next page? Yes. Okay. Let's go to the next page and see the third one, that is third note point, equiconcave lens. What is the third note point? Equiconcave lens. Equiconcave lens. Okay. Now see, first I will draw the diagram for this equiconcave. Equiconcave means what, ray? Again here also both are same radii, hai na? Yes. Like this, equiconcave. Now here R1 is equal to what? R1 is equal to minus R, and R2 is equal to what? Plus R. Now let's substitute. Yes, let's substitute now. You want previous page? 1 minute, I'm showing. Yes, take this. Okay, right. So see now, equiconcave, R1 is equal to minus R, R2 is equal to plus R, and then again I'm using 1 by F formula. So direct I am writing mu minus 1. Why? Because this is also air only. 1 by R1. 1 by R1 is what? 1 by minus R. Minus of 1 by this is plus R. So how much you are getting here? 1 by F is equal to mu minus 1 into minus 2 by R, and therefore by taking reciprocal you are getting minus R by 2 into mu minus 1. Clear? Eh? Just the difference between equiconvex and equiconcave is what? Minus sign. Why it is coming? Because if we will consider the concave lens, your focus is this side, but for concave lens focus is this side. That's why you are getting minus sign and plus sign. That you know, right? Okay, any doubt you can ask. Please ask if you have any doubt. Next one, the fourth note point, understanding. Please ask if you have doubt. Fourth note point, plano concave lens. What is that? Next note point, plano concave lens. Okay, good. Plano concave lens. Now plano concave means what? One surface is curved, one surface is plane, है ना? तो देखो, this side I am drawing diagram for the plano concave lens. So this lens is something like this. Let me draw the diagram, just wait. Right, like this, plano concave. Now here again, R1 is equal to what, ray? R1 is equal to infinity, है ना? Plane surface है ना? So R1 is equal to infinity, R2 is equal to what? Plus R, है कि नहीं? Yes. Now let's substitute the values. Then we are getting again 1 by F is equal to mu2 by mu1. So mu2 by mu1 is definitely air. So that's why I am just writing 1. है ना? So mu2 is equal to what? Mu only. So direct shall I substitute? What is that? Mu minus 1 into 1 by R1 is 1 by infinity minus of 1 by R. So this is going to be 1 by F is equal to 1 by F is equal to mu minus 1 into 1 by R. Okay? And therefore, what we are getting here? What we are getting here? This is minus R ना, है कि नहीं? Minus है ना ये? तो इसको मैं minus ही रखता हूँ. And then I am getting F is equal to minus of R divided by mu minus 1. Minus आना चाहिए, है कि नहीं? Check करो. Yes, yes, right. Clear है? And that's why I got F is equal to minus R by mu minus 1. Clear hai? So if they will give refractive index anything, you can substitute and you can calculate the focal length in case of this all 4 node points. Clear hai? Okay. One more node point I am giving you. Understood? Everything is clear till here? Yes. One more node point. Just note down. Yes. Shall I go to the next page? Yes, please tell. Right. Next page. This is also note point number 5, I can say. Okay. This is note point number 5. And the note point name is lens with different media. Lens with different media on either side. Yes, means now lens is there. There is no air on both sides, some different medium. Then how to do? For example, suppose this is a lens, right? And let us suppose its refractive index is mu. So first I will draw the diagram. Somewhere here is your object. Somewhere here you will get final image. I am drawing only one image. No need of 2 because already we have derived how it is refracting due to one surface and another surface. So I'm just drawing the final image, okay, in the diagram. Clear है? And this distance is what? This distance is u. This distance is what? Phi. है कि नहीं? ये तो आपको मालूम है. This is u. This is phi. And whatever it is. Now, this medium is suppose mu A. This medium is suppose mu B. And the lens medium is having refractive index mu. Definitely this medium is having mu A means what? Refractive index mu A, refractive index mu B. If like this thing is there, then how to use or what will be the formula? Formula will be mu B by phi minus mu A by u is equal to mu minus mu A divided by R1 plus mu B minus mu divided by R2. This formula we will use for the case if lens is surrounded with two different media on either side. Yes, clear hai? So mu B by V minus mu A by U is equal to mu minus mu A by R1 plus mu B minus mu by R2. Understand? This is what your note points regarding the lens maker's formula. So this all you keep it in mind because on this they are asking problems so many times. Is that clear? Any doubt you can ask. If you have any doubt you can ask. If you will derive by using that same formula you will get, no need. Yes. Any doubt? Yes. Okay. Yes. Yes. That's why. Finished? Do you want any first page or previous page? Anything? Everything is clear? Okay. Anybody want any page? Sir, third page I want. Okay. 1 minute. Third page is this. Yes, no? Take this. Shreya. Clear hai? Okay. So let's stop here for today. Okay. Bye. Enjoy the day.